Today I'm making grilled pizza. Grilled pizza is one of my favorite things to make over the summer. I've actually been looking forward to making this for months. We're gonna make some quick and easy pizza dough, then I'll show you how I like to make Margherita and Mediterranean pizzas. I apologize in advance to my Italian friends. You can press the CC button to turn on subtitles or check out the full list of ingredients in the video description. Let's start off by making our dough. This is a super simple dough you can make in a stand mixer if you have one. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of dry yeast into 3/4 of a cup of warm water and mixing. Now pour the mixture into the mixer along with 2 cups of flour, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, about a teaspoon of garlic powder, and maybe a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Mix 3 to 5 minutes using a dough hook attachment, or knead by hand for about 5 minutes until the dough is smooth and elastic. Making sure to stop your mixer from running away if necessary. This looks pretty good to me. See how it looks like dough? Once you're done playing with your dough, transfer it to a lightly oiled bowl and roll it around to oil the dough and bowl evenly. Mandatory good luck pat. This wasn't lightly oiled. Cover with plastic wrap and let it sit somewhere warm at least half hour. One episode of True Crime and Nails later, we can split our dough in two and begin rolling it out. Sandwich one dough ball between 2 sheets of parchment paper and press it into a flat, round shape before going over it with a rolling pin, rolling from the center out, keeping it as even as possible. I'm just trying to get this to about 1/4 inch thick. Once we've rolled both crusts, we can move on. Hold that thought. I'm going to flour one side of each crust and lay a flexible cutting board on it. Now we can take our pizza crust and do something I usually try to avoid. Go outside. I have my grill at somewhere around 450 to 500 degrees, and we're just going to dip a paper towel into some oil and brush it on the grill to help keep the pizza from sticking. Flip your first crust onto the grill, close and cook about 3 minutes. Now we're carefully flipping it back onto our cutting board so we can top it. This first pizza is going to be a Margherita pizza. I'm starting off by spreading some minced garlic across the crust, then adding some tomato sauce, mozzarella cheese, sliced tomato, and a drizzle of olive oil. Back into the grill it goes, where it will sit between 3 and 6 minutes till the cheese is nicely melted and the crust isn't too burnt. Pull it out and set it aside while we repeat the same process for our second pizza. Drizzle some olive oil and spread it out. Add mozzarella cheese, sun-dried tomato, kalamata olives, artichoke hearts, and cooked pancetta if you have it, or bacon. Throw it in the grill and cook another 3 to 6 minutes. Now we can add our final toppings. To finish up our Mediterranean pizza, let's add some feta cheese and torn basil. And for our Margherita, let's add some basil and balsamic glaze. Cut it up and enjoy. I upload every Thursday. If you enjoyed this, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you next time.